Let's be real. Most men today have become bitches. Not weak in muscle, weak in spirit. They can lift a barbell, but can't lift their own standards. They talk about discipline, but fold the moment life hits back. You've got every tool in the world, technology, opportunity, freedom, yet you feel lost, anxious, and disconnected. Why? Because you've forgotten what it means to stand on your own word. You've forgotten what it means to trust yourself. You've forgotten what it means to be a man of substance. So today, I'm going to give it to you straight. 5 brutal truths about why you've become a bitch and how to rebuild your power from the inside out. 1. You chase comfort like it's a god. Let's start with the foundation of your downfall. Comfort. You were not built to be comfortable. You were built to conquer. Men once hunted, built, created, protected. Now, they hunt for Wi-Fi and DoorDash coupons, and you wonder why your fire's gone dim. Every time you choose comfort over challenge, you trade a piece of your strength for a moment of ease. And that's how you start dying before your time. Not physically, but spiritually. The Stoics had a saying, "The easy life makes men weak. The hard life forges them divine." It's not about punishing yourself. It's about waking up the part of you that only hardship can awaken. Go run in the cold. Sit in silence. Fast for a day. Do something your comfort-loving brain hates, because every act of discomfort is a vote for your higher self. But comfort isn't the only poison. There's a deeper one, a subtle addiction that kills warriors in silence, the need for approval. 2. You crave validation more than victory. Let's be honest. Most men aren't living for truth. They're living for likes. They say what sounds good, not what's real. They act confident, but their confidence collapses the moment they're not praised for it. You know what that means? You've built your life on the opinions of people who don't even respect themselves. In ancient philosophy, this was the ultimate betrayal of the self. To live as a mirror instead of a flame. To reflect others instead of radiating from within. You don't need everyone to clap for you. You need to clap for yourself when no one's watching. Because self-trust is the only real validation. You'll never find peace chasing applause. Peace comes when your soul says, "I did what was right, even when it cost me." And speaking of cost, here's the real tax for living without purpose: confusion. You've lost your clarity because you've lost your direction. 3. You don't know what you stand for. The modern man stands for everything and nothing. He's agreeable, diplomatic, and morally allergic to commitment. He doesn't lead because leadership means risk. But here's the truth. A man who doesn't know what he stands for will fall for anything that makes him feel safe. You've got to pick a hill to die on. Your principles must be non-negotiable. Your mission must be carved into your bones, not written in sand. Every time you compromise your core for comfort, you lose spiritual muscle. Every time you silence your truth to fit in, your fire dims a little more. You don't have to scream your beliefs. You just have to live them so loudly that the world feels them. Write this down. A man of conviction doesn't need permission. The world doesn't need another nice guy. It needs men with backbone. Men whose yes means yes, and whose no means no. But even if you know your values, there's another trap. The enemy that lives between your ears. Doubt. 4. You don't trust yourself. Self-trust is the foundation of all masculine power. Without it, you're a lion with no teeth. You make promises you don't keep. You say you'll change, but your actions contradict your words. And every time you break your own word, your subconscious learns one thing. You're not reliable. That's why you hesitate. That's why you overthink. That's why your confidence feels fake. Confidence doesn't come from affirmation. It comes from alignment. From doing what you said you'd do when no one's watching. If you tell yourself you'll wake up early, get up. If you tell yourself you'll quit the habit, follow through. Every small victory rebuilds your spiritual integrity. And here's where it gets deeper. This isn't just psychology. It's spiritual law. When you keep your word, you align with divine order. You become trustworthy, not just to yourself, but to the universe. That's when synchronicities happen. That's when flow begins. That's when the world starts responding to your frequency again. You don't need a miracle. You need integrity. And that brings us to the hardest truth, the one most men avoid until it's too late. You've forgotten how to love, not just others, but yourself. 5. You've forgotten the fire of love. Here's the paradox. Every strong man has a soft heart, but it's protected by steel discipline. Love without strength is weakness. Strength without love is tyranny. But when a man unites them, he becomes unstoppable. You think love is romance, but love is presence. It's devotion to what's true, even when it hurts. It's the force that makes you fight for something greater than yourself. The ancients called it agape, divine love. It's not sentimental, it's sacred fire. It's the energy that fuels warriors, artists, leaders, and saints. When you open your heart without losing your spine, you stop reacting to life. You start creating it. You walk into rooms, and people feel your energy shift the atmosphere. You speak, and people listen, not because you're loud, but because your words carry integrity. You're not magnetic because of what you have. You're magnetic because of who you are, because love is the highest vibration of power. So let's put it all together. You've gone bitch because you traded challenges for comfort. You seek validation instead of truth. You lost direction. You stopped trusting yourself, and you forgot the fire of love that once made you alive. But that's not the end. It's the beginning. Every man reaches a breaking point, a moment where he's sick of his own excuses, a moment where the mirror hurts more than the world's criticism. That's the moment a warrior is born. And if you're hearing this right now, that moment is yours. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are what you choose to become today. You want to reclaim your strength? Then earn it. Start small. Make your bed. Train your body. Speak the truth. Do the thing your fear tells you not to, and do it again tomorrow and the day after that. Because masculinity isn't about dominance. It's about discipline. It's about honoring your word, protecting what's sacred, and moving through the world with love that doesn't flinch. When you live like that, the world shifts around you. People respect you differently. Life opens in front of you, and suddenly, you're not chasing purpose anymore. You've become it. So rise up, brother. Rebuild your mind. Fortify your soul, and live as if your every action is a prayer to the divine. Because the truth is, you were never weak. You just forgot who you were. If this message hits something deep inside you, don't run from it. Sit with it. That discomfort you feel, that's your soul remembering its power. Forgive yourself. Forgive the years you spent asleep. Then stand up and walk like the man you were created to be. Because true strength isn't about proving the world wrong. It's about becoming the man who doesn't need to. You are the storm, but you are also the calm after it. Live with discipline, speak with integrity, lead with love. That's real power. If you've felt this message hit your core, then like and subscribe for more content. And remember to always push forward.